In this video, I'll show you how to add bucket columns in Salesforce reports so you can quickly group values without modifying your underlying data. Start by opening the report you want to work with and click Edit to enter the report builder. In the Columns panel, open the drop-down and choose Add Bucket Column. Give your bucket a clear name, then select the field you want to categorize, which can be numeric, text, or a picklist field. For numeric fields, you can define value ranges like small, medium, or large amounts, while for picklists, you can group multiple values into broader categories. As you build the buckets, preview the grouping to confirm records fall into the right sections, and consider adding an Other category so every record is accounted for. Remember that bucket columns only apply to that specific report and don't change actual Salesforce data. Subscribe for more clear Salesforce tutorials.